So question is why .NET Framework is required. So once again guys, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Whoever newly joined on my channel, please like to subscribe and share to others as well. And I have a request to you guys, please visit the channel playlist. There are more than 200 videos which is day-to-day activities for SQL Server which can help you. And if you are getting help, please pass to others as well. Okay. So let's start. Let me discuss. So we all aware some prerequisites to install the SQL Server installation. We all know .NET Framework is required, but today we are going to talk about why it's required. So only we'll talk about the .NET Framework, why the .NET Framework is required. It's a very simple and tricky things. It's asked so many interviews also. It's a basic we all doing while installing the SQL Server, but we are not aware why it's required. Okay, so today we are going to talk about only for the .NET Framework, not for the complete installation package. Okay, so I just created one of documents. Okay, so we'll go through that. Why the .NET Framework is required. So firstly, if you come to this lines, so .NET Framework basically provides a high secure environment. So it employs the various security mechanism for keeping the application protected, and it's built in a Windows authentication, so which can use to be make secure and safe application. It also has a cryptography classes to secure the data with encryption and decryption. So basically this line is saying it's providing the .NET Framework providing the highly secure environment. That's the reason we are using the .NET Framework, and it's also a Windows authentication mechanism, right? So that is highly secure and also provides the cryptography classes of secure data like encryption and decryption. So these many factors, because of that we need a .NET Framework. So in one line we can say like that, basically the application which are going to run on that particular server, so .NET Framework is required to provide the highly secure environment. Okay, if you come to this 6 factor, okay, I have just highlighted the 6 factor why it's required actually. So if you can see the application, see database also is application which is running on a VM, right? Windows server. So we call as a application for, so that's the reason for SQL Server also it's required a .NET Framework, because we need also the security, right, to running on the particular servers, because database is so critical, right? So better UI control, firstly is better UI control, security, integration with the other Microsoft application, because it's a Microsoft product. We all aware .NET Framework is a Microsoft product, so compatibility is more, stability and scalability, MVC architect, and quick deployment. So what I did actually, I am not going to discuss each and every in details. You just go with all those 6 factor why it's required .NET Framework, then you can have a better idea if you go with this document why it's required in details. So these 6 factor is enough to explain you why the .NET Framework is required to installing the SQL Server or any other application also, right? So you can go with all 6 factor one by one. I will update these things in a a description also. You can take it from the description also. Okay, and you can note down, right? So hope you got the points why the .NET Framework is required actually, right? So basic level answer is it's provide the highly secure environment, and then it's come to what type of security they are giving actually. So you can answer like that, right? Or you can mention you can highlight that all these 6 factor how it's helping to application. Okay, so that's it for today. I will come in another session very soon, and I'm planning to upload some lab video also. I'm quite busy now, so I will come and I will very soon I will upload some lab videos, and I will upload some other database videos also very soon. Okay, so till then keep supporting me and loving me. Please share to others also, right? Thank you.